This is the mid presentation of the project titled R&D Showcase by Team SSD-1. The main idea behind this project was to bring the famous research and development showcase of IIIT that used to happen every year but could not happen this year because of the COVID-19 situation to our own living rooms or screens. So we are designing a virtual showcase of various labs at IIIT. The main problem is to develop a virtual R&D showcase displaying the posters and the project activities of various research centers at IIIT. The users should be able to take a virtual tour of these centers and see the posters showcasing the activities of the respective labs. The generic solution approach consists of 5 phases. The first phase is the planning. Under planning, we will decide the purpose of the project and the target audience, and also the project timeline. The requirement analysis and the constraints are decided under the analysis phase. The design phase consists of the scene visualization, entry and exit strategies, and the scene generation mechanics. Developing a prototype with A-frame and then dynamically loading the prototype with the help of JavaScript comes under the development phase. And the testing phase includes the checking of if the desired behavior is achieved or not and taking the user experience feedback. The specific solution approach is as follows. The rooms will be dynamically created as per the lab that wants to showcase its developments. Contents of the room will change according to the option selected by the user. Menu will be provided to the user containing list of labs participating in the R&D showcasing. New labs can be added, content of existing labs can be updated and removed by editing a metadata file. This slide consists of the scene prototype. The left one is the view from the outside and the right one is the view from the inside of the room. As you can see, there are posters on the walls and also videos present inside the room. This slide contains the technical details. So the device should have an internet connection to load the CDN hosted libraries, and the web browser with WebVR support is required. A-frame framework used for virtual reality experience, and the development is done using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now the work distribution. Initial creation of rooms and restyling of walls and proper alignment of posters on the wall is done by Neha, and Adriza has created bigger rooms with increased number of walls in the room. The poster placement in the room, proper scaling and camera placements of the rooms are done by Nanika, and Mohsin has added the interactive video element and increased the number of the posters in the room. So the project timeline. Till now we have achieved the project outline and the design finalization part and also done the front end development. Now the remaining part has been divided into two sub phases, like the backend development, which will consist of implementing the backend with dynamically loading the room and creating the admin role, and the final presentation part in which we will give the final demo of the project. So now we'll look at the demo for the project.
This is the view from outside our room of the R&D showcase. Okay, now let's move inside the room. As we can see, there are multiple posters here. The posters can be either images or videos. This wall contains an image, and in this wall we have a video. There is a wall beside this wall containing the details of this video, and let's play the video. For playing it, we'll need to take the cursor down to the play and pause button. Now the video has started. Okay. While the video is playing, we can move anywhere in the room and pause it when we are done seeing it with the same button. Okay, now let's move across the room. As you can see, there are some more posters attached to the room. The room is made spacious suitable for multiple users, even if we have a single user till now. Okay, and here we have another poster, okay, in this wall, and similarly 2 other posters in the back of the room. Now, as we can experience here, the average height is kept as 1.6 meter, so it is suitable for most users. Now let's move out.